Morning people, I'm Dave and my job for today is to replace the lower arm ball joint on the camper van. So this is a 2011 Citroen Relay. So the first thing I've done, I've got the van jacked up, I've pre-slackened the wheel nuts, I've got axle stands underneath and I've jacked up both wheels off the floor. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the nut on the ball joint, just make sure that I can split the ball joint before I proceed, and that's 24mm. So my ball joint splitter isn't big enough to go around that. So what I did, jacked it under the hub. I happen to have a couple of blocks of metal that I've put underneath the nut. Lifted it up tight on its suspension, dropped it onto there. I got a bar on there, and then I give it a crack with the lump hammer. About 5 or 6 hits with the hammer and it's come off. So I've tied the suspension leg to the chassis with a strap. Then I refit the road wheel, lower its jacks, tighten to the correct torque. Then with the van back on its suspension, tighten the anti-roll bar link nut to 56 Newton meters. So if you found this video at all useful, then please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see our camper van adventures.